All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So I'm going to do a quick intro to this video. I won't do an outro, but just talking about the axe or the little hatchet. The forging went great. I've always wanted to do a folded style axe. I've attempted them in the past, and I usually always fail. Usually because I thin the langets out too much, and then when I go to start folding it and drift it, it splits because I get that part wrong every time. But it's a great forging exercise. I mean, there's a lot of forging going on and forging fundamentals when you're making a folded style axe. But my wife's cousin was over here helping me. He was striking, but he only had so much time to be over here, so I realized there's some things that got left out of the video, like when I tack welded the bit in here. I just cut a little piece off of some 80 CRV2, 1/4 inch thick, and I cleaned the body up, and then I just tack welded that in. So that was already on there when I was folding the axe body over to prep for forge welding. But yeah, other than that, it went great. That wrought iron was sent to me, part of a blacksmith gathering thing where a guy sent a bunch of wrought to a bunch of different makers, and we all had the option to make a axe, knife, or a hammer. So I chose to make this, and I think it came out great, and I'm going to donate this to the great people of Holland Anvil. Anyways, I got some more Woot stuff coming up. Got a cool project with that, so that's what's entailed for the future. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Right. Right. Yep. Yep.